In this video, I will quickly show you how to become an EPFX partner. After logging into your client dashboard, navigate to the Request IB option from the menu. On the following screen, choose your desired IB wallet currency from the drop-down and click Continue. Your IB application will be automatically approved and you will be enrolled in our Tier 1 Partner Program. To generate your referral links, click the Marketing Tools tab from the IB menu. Here, you will be able to create an unlimited number of referral links. Simply type in the name you would like to call this particular link and click Create. Typically, our traders name them in respect to the platform the link will be shared on, as you will be able to track each link's conversion metrics independently. In this case, we will name it Instagram, because we will share it on Instagram. Now you can see that the referral link is in my links list, and I can click the Click to Copy button to store the link on my clipboard to be pasted where I desire. To the right of each link, you will be able to see how many clicks and registrations each link is getting. Next, we will hop over to our dashboard. Here, you will find a detailed list of traders that have registered using your links, their total traded lots, and the commissions you have earned. From the Commission Settings tab, you will be able to view a detailed breakdown of your compensation structure for each account type. Lastly, we will navigate to the Marketing Tools tab one more time. From the drop-down, select Media Kits. Here you will have access to branded media, logo files and promotional material, allowing you to proudly show your partnership with EPFX. Be sure to watch our video titled EPFX Partner Program Explained. Thanks for watching.